Namaskaram friends, I am your SSRK and today's topic is how to improve our concentration levels. So see dear friends, concentration is a main thing. It is playing a very important role in our life. So due to lack of concentration we are not completing the jobs or the works towards our goals, so that we are unable to reach our goal within a time. So this concentration levels need to be improved in our life so that we can reach our goal in a predetermined time. So see friends, you just remember to improve this concentration levels. You just remember one thing, that you may be defeated by someone but you cannot be disturbed by anyone. So simple concept, you may be defeated by someone but you cannot be disturbed by anyone. That is just in your hands. The only person, the only one can disturb you is yourself. No one can in this world can disturb you, because it is just a mind game. Okay, so whatever the instructions you are giving to your mind, accordingly it acts. So it is just a mind game, dear friends. So the only one can disturb you is yourself. So don't disturb yourself. Don't disturb yourself. You just think positive. You just remember your strengths. Okay, you just remember your past, how great you are, how great you are, what are the struggles, hurdles you faced, the failures you faced. So many people they scolded you sometimes, but still you were strong that time. And now you reached this kind of a great stage in your life, and you now thinking that you are lacking some concentration levels. Is it right? No, you are having that much energy right now also. You are having that much strength in you right now also. You just remember your strengths. You just recollect your strengths. You are a great personality in this universe, in this world. No one can replace your place. You are a great personality. You have achieved several things, plenty of things in your life, and you have crossed plenty of failures, hurdles, what we call criticisms. After that only you came this kind of what we call stage in your life. You are a great personality. You just remember this, my dear friends. You are a great personality in this universe. Okay, and now let us go to the technique. And of course, though we are thinking that we are a great personality, due to some our what we call in daily life we may get disturbed with someone. Okay, though we are thinking you are a great personality, we may get disturbed by someone. So in these conditions you just remember this technique. The technique is so simple. It is just a mathematical technique. That is, you just imagine 12 into 12. What is 12 into 12? The answer is 144. It is a simple question. Okay, anyone can answer, of course. And now my question is 13 into 12. You don't use your pen and paper. Now you tell me the answer. 13 into 12. 13 into 12. 13 into 12. 12 into 3, 36. Here is the 6 and there is the 3. And 12 into 1, 12, and the 3 is there. So that 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. The 6 is already here. So this kind of 6 is already here. It becomes 15. 15, I mean 156. 156 is the answer now. So while I was calculating this, I didn't think about my disturbances, I didn't think about my failures, I didn't think about anything. And I don't think about this kind of nature, the sounds coming from this surroundings, the sceneries and etc. I cannot focus on this kind of sounds, scenes or disturbances or deviations and etc. I just focus on the numbers. The 6 is there and 3 is here. The 6 is there and 3 is here. Okay, or the 6 is here and 3 is there, and 12 into 1 is 12. Again 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. It is an example, dear friends. So you take your own numbers, that may be 145 into 46, so that you can focus at least 30 seconds to 50 seconds or 60 seconds, so that 60 seconds you cannot you cannot think about your disturbances, you cannot think about your deviations, you cannot deviate from the point, because you have plenty of numbers to be remembered. Okay, doing like this you can improve your concentration levels. Okay, once you practice this type of technique for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, okay, you can get some concentration levels. Once you reach that concentration point, then you focus on the breathing. Okay, how it is going inside and coming outside. The positive is going inside and negative is coming outside. You just focus like this. Once you practice this how to improve the concentration levels, then you can focus on this breathing, and you just imagine positive is going inside and negative is coming outside. This is a simple technique so that you can what we call improve your concentration levels. And you just remember, guys, you are a great personality. I repeat it, you are a great personality in this world. Okay, no one can disturb you. If anyone is there to disturb you, that is yourself. Don't disturb yourself. You train your brain, your mind to think about your strengths only, not about your disturbances or deviations. Okay, you just habituate this kind of technique in your life, and you just practice it. Don't forget this technique only after 10 days or 15 days. Don't practice only for 10 days or 15 days. You just practice it daily. You habituate it to be part of your life, so that you can get more results. And a great personality says that you should meditate daily, as simple as you brush daily. I repeat, you should meditate daily, as simple as you brush daily. Okay, so that you can get a great result in your life. Thank you so much, my dear friends. If you like this video, you just refer my videos or channel to the youngsters and students. Subscribe my channel, SSRK Creations. Thank you so much. It is your SSRK. Thank you.